Hello everyone, Dr. William Lai here. One of the most common complaints I hear from seniors is this: Doctor, why do I keep waking up in the middle of the night with painful leg cramps? These cramps are not only uncomfortable, but they can also make you feel weak, unsteady, and even afraid to walk. The good news is, science shows that what you eat can actually make a big difference in preventing leg cramps and keeping your legs strong. Bananas are famous for their potassium, and for good reason. Potassium is an essential mineral that balances electrolytes in your muscles. Without enough of it, your muscle fibers misfire and cramp up. Just one banana a day can help restore this balance, and it also comes with natural fiber to keep your digestion smooth. Spinach is a powerhouse of magnesium, another mineral that relaxes your muscles and calms your nervous system. Think of magnesium as the off switch for tight, twitching muscles. Seniors who eat leafy greens regularly not only have fewer cramps, but they also build stronger bones and improve circulation. Two key factors for leg health. Bananas are one of the simplest, most affordable, and widely available foods that can have a remarkable impact on muscle health, especially for seniors who struggle with painful leg cramps. The secret lies in their rich supply of potassium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in how our muscles contract and relax. Every time you take a step, bend your knee, or flex your foot, tiny electrical signals travel through your nerves and muscles. Potassium is one of the key electrolytes that helps those signals fire correctly. When your body doesn't have enough of it, those signals misfire, and instead of a smooth contraction, the muscle tightens uncontrollably. That's when you feel that sudden, sharp cramp that can stop you in your tracks or wake you up in the middle of the night. For seniors, potassium is especially important because as we age, our bodies naturally lose some efficiency in storing and using minerals. At the same time, certain medications, such as diuretics for high blood pressure, can flush potassium out of the system. This double effect makes low potassium a common cause of muscle cramps in older adults. The beauty of bananas is that they deliver this mineral in a gentle, natural way without the need for supplements. A medium banana contains around 400 milligrams of potassium, which gives your muscles the raw material they need to stay balanced and cramp-free. But bananas do more than just supply potassium. They are also a source of natural carbohydrates, which provide quick energy, and dietary fiber, which keeps digestion regular. For seniors, this combination can be especially beneficial because it not only supports muscle function, but also contributes to overall vitality. Eating a banana as part of breakfast or as a midday snack gives your body a steady supply of nutrients without being heavy on the stomach. Another overlooked benefit of bananas is their convenience. Unlike many other foods that require cooking or preparation, bananas come in their own natural packaging. They can be taken on a walk, eaten before bedtime, or blended into a smoothie. This makes them an easy, no-excuse option for seniors looking to manage leg cramps through diet. Ultimately, adding just one banana a day can be a small yet powerful step toward preventing painful cramps, supporting muscle health, and keeping the legs strong. It's a perfect example of how everyday foods can act like medicine when we choose them wisely. Would you like me to expand point 2 on spinach in the same 400-word style so you have a complete series for your video script? Spinach is often called a superfood, and for good reason. It is loaded with nutrients that directly support muscle and bone health, making it a powerful ally in preventing leg cramps in seniors. One of its most important contributions comes from magnesium, a mineral that is frequently overlooked but absolutely essential for healthy muscles. Magnesium acts like a natural muscle relaxant. While calcium helps your muscles contract, magnesium is the partner that tells them when it's time to let go and relax. Without enough magnesium, the balance is lost and muscles can stay tense, twitch, or even spasm into painful cramps. This is why people who are deficient in magnesium often complain of restless legs, nighttime cramps, or general stiffness. As we get older, magnesium levels tend to drop, partly because of dietary gaps and partly because our bodies simply don't absorb it as efficiently. Certain medications commonly taken by seniors, like acid reducers or diuretics, can also deplete magnesium over time. This makes it even more important to replenish it through food, and spinach is one of the most concentrated natural sources. A single cup of cooked spinach contains nearly 40% of the daily magnesium requirement, making it an easy way to restore this essential mineral. But the benefits of spinach don't stop with magnesium. It is also packed with vitamin K, which strengthens bones and lowers the risk of fractures, and iron, which supports healthy red blood cells and improves oxygen delivery to your muscles. Better oxygen flow means your leg muscles can perform more efficiently, reducing the risk of fatigue and cramping. Spinach is also rich in antioxidants like lutein and beta-carotene, which fight inflammation and improve circulation. Inflammation and poor circulation are two hidden culprits behind frequent muscle cramps in seniors, and by tackling both, spinach helps keep your legs strong and resilient. What makes spinach even more appealing is its versatility. It can be eaten raw in salads, lightly sauteed with olive oil, added to soups, or blended into smoothies without altering the taste much. For seniors, this flexibility means it can be incorporated into nearly any meal without fuss. Eating spinach regularly doesn't require big dietary changes. It's simply about adding a handful here and there. By making spinach a staple in the weekly diet, seniors can enjoy a steady supply of magnesium and other nutrients that keep their muscles relaxed, their bones strong, and their circulation flowing smoothly. It's a small, natural step that pays big dividends in reducing leg cramps and maintaining independence. Salmon is one of the most powerful foods you can eat for muscle and leg health, especially when it comes to preventing painful cramps. Unlike bananas and spinach, which provide minerals that directly affect muscle contractions, salmon works on a different but equally important level. It improves circulation and reduces inflammation. These two factors are often overlooked when talking about cramps, but they play a critical role in keeping your legs strong and pain-free. One of the key nutrients in salmon is omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are known for protecting the heart, but they also improve blood flow by reducing stiffness in blood vessels and supporting smooth circulation. When your blood flows better, oxygen and nutrients are delivered more efficiently to your muscles. Poor circulation is a common reason seniors experience leg cramps, especially at night when blood flow naturally slows down. By including salmon in the diet, you're essentially giving your muscles a steady supply of fuel and oxygen, which reduces the chances of those sudden, sharp cramps. Salmon is also rich in high-quality protein, which is vital for maintaining muscle strength as we age. After the age of 50, many people naturally begin to lose muscle mass, a condition known as sarcopenia. Weaker muscles are more prone to cramping and fatigue. Protein from salmon provides the amino acids needed to repair and build muscle fibers, keeping the legs strong, steady, and less likely to spasm. This is especially important for seniors who want to stay active, walk with confidence, and reduce the risk of falls. Another powerful benefit of salmon is its anti-inflammatory effect. Chronic inflammation in the body can irritate muscles, joints, and nerves, contributing to discomfort and cramps. The omega-3s in salmon help calm this inflammation, creating a healthier environment for your muscles to function properly. On top of that, salmon also delivers vitamin D, which plays a role in muscle performance and bone strength, two critical factors for leg health. What makes salmon so practical is its variety of preparation methods. It can be grilled, baked, poached, or added to salads, and it pairs well with vegetables like spinach for an extra boost of muscle, protecting nutrients. Even canned salmon is a budget-friendly option that still provides the same benefits. By adding salmon to your meals 2 to 3 times a week, you can strengthen your muscles, improve circulation, and calm inflammation, all of which work together to prevent leg cramps. It's a delicious, science-backed food that truly supports longevity and independence. Simple diet changes can make an enormous difference in how the body feels and functions, especially for seniors dealing with frustrating leg cramps. Many people assume that cramps are just an unavoidable part of aging, but science shows that small, consistent nutritional choices can reduce them dramatically and keep the legs strong. The idea is not about making dramatic shifts or following complicated meal plans. Instead, it's about choosing a few powerful foods that work together to restore balance in the muscles, improve circulation, and keep the body nourished. When you combine bananas, spinach, and salmon in your diet, you are essentially creating a 3-part shield against cramps. The potassium in bananas keeps electrolytes balanced so your muscles can contract and relax properly. The magnesium in spinach steps in as the natural relaxer, ensuring muscles don't stay tight and spasm. Then salmon rounds it out by improving circulation, calming inflammation, and providing protein to strengthen muscle fibers. Each food plays a unique role, but together, they address the root causes of cramps from multiple angles. This teamwork inside your body means fewer interruptions from painful spasms and more freedom to move with confidence. The beauty of this approach is its simplicity. These foods don't require expensive supplements or complicated recipes. A banana can be eaten as a snack. Spinach can be tossed into a salad, soup, or smoothie. Salmon can be cooked quickly in the oven or even enjoyed from a can with whole grain crackers. Seniors don't need to overhaul their diets overnight. They just need to add these foods consistently. Over time, those small additions build up into noticeable improvements in muscle health and overall energy. Another powerful effect of these dietary changes is the boost in independence and quality of life. Leg cramps often cause disrupted sleep, sudden pain while walking, and a lingering fear of falling. By reducing cramps, seniors not only feel more comfortable but also gain confidence to stay active, take daily walks, and enjoy social activities without worrying about their legs giving out. These improvements might seem small, but they can transform daily life in a very meaningful way. In the end, preventing cramps is not about quick fixes. It's about giving the body the tools it needs to function smoothly. By choosing these foods regularly, seniors can enjoy stronger legs, deeper rest, and the peace of mind that comes with knowing they are taking control of their health in the most natural way possible.